whole new system.
All new system. Hey guys, welcome back to H&M FKA Boys. Today's topic is going to be about exhaust room. So one of the criticisms of the new FKA Type R is that the exhaust note is way too quiet for our liking. So I decided to upgrade my exhaust and also Maurice. So basically today we'll be giving you a comparison, guys. I'm not seeing this yet. It's going to be a comparison between the AWE touring exhaust that I have and also with Maurice's thermal R&D exhaust. All right, so what we'll be doing is we'll be giving you cold starts, we'll be giving you revs to 3K, revs to 6K, and hopefully we'll get some driving in, how it sounds while it's driving, and who knows, possibly a flyby. Stay tuned. It's H&M FKA Boys. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so far. We are overwhelmed by the support so far. We now have 55 subscribers. Help us get it to 100 by next week. Thank you. Okay, so now I'm going to do a standing rev to 3,000 RPMs so you can hear what it sounds like. Good morning. Yes, I'm just going for a little grocery run this morning. Decided I'll give you guys a quick in-cabin sound of my Type R. So as soon as I get a little bit of road, I'll let you guys hear what it really sounds like. Yeah, that's just a quick little snippet.